What if I told you the United States government might be planning the most radical financial move in history? Not through tax hikes, not through cuts, but by using cryptocurrency itself to solve a $37 trillion problem? That's right. Trillions of dollars, digital coins, and a global financial reset. But is it real or just a conspiracy? Today we're going to break it all down. Stay with me. Before we talk crypto, let's talk numbers. The U.S. national debt, money owed by the federal government, currently stands above $37 trillion and rising every year. To put that into perspective, that's more than double the entire U.S. economy, and it grows faster than revenues can keep up with interest payments. Traditionally, countries pay down debt through higher taxes, reduced spending, economic growth. But with this magnitude of debt, all the usual tools seem inadequate or politically impossible. So the question becomes, can crypto help or even replace part of this debt burden? In 2025, a major claim arose from a high-level advisor to Russia's president, who stated that the United States might use cryptocurrencies, especially stable coins, to reset $37 trillion of its debt. Stable coins are digital dollars backed by real assets, usually US dollars or government bonds, and used globally for trading and payments. The idea being floated isn't simple. Move some national debt obligations into digital tokens, then restructure or devalue them in the digital realm so that the real value owed is less. This would be presented as a brand new financial apparatus powered by blockchain. But is that really possible? Let's break it down. The reset theory makes headlines, but here's the truth from financial analysts. 1. Moving debt into stable coins doesn't erase it. Stable coins are backed by fiat assets, usually US treasuries, but transferring debt into a different form doesn't make it disappear. Legal contracts like treasury bonds cannot be unilaterally rewritten without triggering default conditions. 2. It's not technically simple. Tokenizing even a small fraction of the US's $37 trillion debt would require rewriting financial contracts, international agreements, and legal frameworks. This is not a switch you just flip. 3. Stablecoins are privately issued. Most major stablecoins like USDT and USDC are created by private companies, not the US government or Federal Reserve. There is currently no sovereign US stablecoin. That means there's no existing mechanism for the government to just dump debt into them. So while crypto is a powerful financial tool, it's unlikely to serve as a magic eraser for national debt. So why are people talking about it? There are a few reasons. 1. Rising debt concerns. With ballooning federal debt, anything that looks like a shortcut gets attention. 2. Crypto's growing influence. Digital assets like Bitcoin and stablecoins are becoming a part of financial infrastructure, especially for cross-border transactions and institutional holdings. 3. Geopolitical narrative. Some observers suggest that foreign powers use this narrative to cast doubt on US financial leadership, especially in crypto and gold markets. Still, the real picture is far more nuanced than headlines suggest. Cryptocurrencies are finding roles in the larger financial landscape. Increased efficiency in payments, improved liquidity for certain markets, new ways to raise capital, but replacing trillions of dollars in sovereign debt? Right now, experts consider that nearly impossible under current law and financial systems. Even tokenizing debt, turning it into blockchain assets, would be a massive regulatory overhaul, not a secret reset. So is the US planning a $37 trillion crypto debt reset? Not in the way viral headlines make it sound. Yes, debt is huge. Yes, crypto matters more than ever. But wiping out national debt with digital coins? Highly unlikely. Instead, what we should focus on is understanding how digital finance is reshaping our economy and how these tools will affect you.